Hello curious minds, and welcome back to our space lab.
Last time, we learned how to control the blinking of the LED on a microcontroller. Let's see if we can make two LEDs blink. But there is only one LED on the microcontroller. Well, we can control two LEDs by using the breadboard and connecting LEDs to it. Let's see what we need and how this can be done. For this, you would need your microcontroller, a breadboard, two LEDs, two 1 kilo ohm resistors, and 5 connecting wires. A breadboard has all its ports addressed by numbers and letters. All the vertical holes or channels are numbered, and all the horizontal ones are lettered. Say for example, there could be a pin with the address of 1A, 1B, 1E, 2A, 2C, and anything. Let's see if I can make this connection easier for you by completely addressing each of the connections and how to make them. Attach the red LED to 5E and the other port of the LED to 6E. Here I have color coded all the wires to make it easier. Normally I use red color to represent all the positive or the powering lines, the blue ones to show the negative ones, and the black to show the ground. Connect the resistor to 6E and the other port of the resistor to 15C. Connect one of the red wires to your port 7 in your microcontroller and the other end to 5D. Connect one of the negative or blue wires to 15B and the other end connected to the negative channel in your breadboard. The ground or the black wire should be connected to the negative channel in your breadboard and the other end to the ground as shown in your microcontroller. The green LED connection should be made at 20E and 21E. The resistor connected to the green LED should be put at 21C and the other end goes to 25C. Connect one of the red wires to the channel or port 6 on your microcontroller and the other one at 20D. The negative from the resistor for the green LED goes to 25B. So now you must have accomplished attaching or adding two LEDs to your breadboard which are connected to your microcontroller at port 6 and 7. The reason why we use resistors is to protect your LEDs. Sometimes a 5-volt power can be too much for these LEDs and they can burn out. But sometimes a resistor can also prevent a lot of power flowing through your LEDs and the LED brightness will be low. If you see that your LED is not blinking or it's very dim, you can remove your resistors and directly connect the ports which are attached to the resistors to the other end of your LEDs and see if that makes your LEDs brighter. So here I have removed the resistors and connected the negative wires, which are the blue ones, directly to the ports at 6C and 21C of the LEDs and the other ports of the blue wires to the negative on the breadboard. Let's see how this programming is done.
Programming two lights is as easy as programming one. You just need to specify two outputs. Remember how we did it last time? We defined two pins as output in the setup part. This time we say pin mode 6 output and pin mode 7 output. Now in the main loop, just like before, we turn our lights on and off and add some delay in between. First, turn on the light on pin 6 with digital write 6 high. Wait for, say, half a second, reduce the voltage on pin 6 back to low, and then do the same for pin 7. Upload the program to Arduino and enjoy the magic. Here is a challenge for you. Can you make 3 lights blink? Stay tuned for more Arduino videos.